So what kind of organism is that?
A millipede.
Good. And what does the millipede have on it here?
A lot of feet.
Mm-hmm.
And he got more lines. He got more lines. I think he got more lines than 10.
I think you're right. And is there anything else? What are those?
Antennas.
Very good. Is there anything else about the millipede you can tell me?
Yeah, they can put their head like a ball, but not the rest of their body.
You're right. Why do they do that?
I don't know, maybe for protect them.
A great idea, Kevin. All right, next one. All right. So here we have a plant. What are these called that grow down?
Roots.
Awesome. And what are the roots for?
For the plant to eat things.
Oh, you're right. Tell me a little more about that.
They drink water with the roots.
Nice job.
Even when it rains, the water gets under the ground, and that's how the plants, or sometimes you water the plants, and that's how they get water and they grow. And they get energy from the sun.
Very good.
And the leaves.
Oh my goodness.
That's why they get grow even taller.
Mm-hmm. Super smart. You are a good biologist, Kevin. Let's go to the next one. All right, so are these the same or different?
Different.
Tell me about how.
Because the fish, is that a snail?
Yep.
Because the snail has a shelf and the is that a guppy?
Mm-hmm.
And the guppy don't have a shelf. He got gills they could breathe.
Oh my goodness, you're right. Does the snail have gills?
No.
Mm-hmm. You're right. Very good.
Only he could protect them with the shelf, because for the predators they can't eat him, because that's why they will think that's a rock invested than a creature.
You're right. Oh my goodness. Very true. It does look like a rock a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, because it got here around and here's a little point.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes rocks are different shapes. That's why.
You're true. You're right. You learned that a little bit this year too about rocks, didn't you?
Yeah.
So cool. All right. How about here? What happened in this picture?
Those leaves fell out the tree and now they're crunchy, and that's why. And even when you step them, it's a lot of crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes they get brown or red or orange or yellow.
Oh, and why does that happen?
Because it's in October.
Oh, okay.
Or the leaves are going down.
What happens in October that makes them fall?
Because it's getting colder.
Oh, that makes sense. Very good.
And the birds go away because he's going to somewhere else, because it's so warm over there and here it's so cold. That's why.
Oh, you're right. You know what that's called when the birds fly somewhere else?
Yeah.
It's called migrate. Nice job. All right, so here, tell me a little bit about this organism and what it needs to live.
He needs a tree for living. That's because some animals don't live in trees, and that's how they can climb over on the tree. Some animals can't climb over. That's how they protect them and their nests.
Oh, you're
and
right.
They got nests for protect their eggs and for keep them warm, for they could grow. If it's so warm, and they'll grow to boys. If it's so cold, I think they'll grow to girls.
Oh, maybe. That's a good idea. What else do they need to live?
They need to maybe some bugs. Maybe they climb. That's how they get food up and best and down.
Very good. All right, is there anything else you can tell me about what the bird needs to live?
Yeah.
What else?
They need wings for protect them from the cold.
Oh, it keeps them warm?
Yeah.
Cool idea. Kind of like a jacket.
Yeah.
Awesome.
They higher because for some animals fly lower because some animals fly higher for protect them.
You're right. I love that idea.